Today, I am meeting with Dan at the MC Machinery booth to talk with him about a robotic cell that MC Machinery has tending a milling machine and a sinker EDM. Let's get in there to learn more. We are at IMTS 2024 in the MC Machinery booth. With me here is Dan Zeman, and we're going to be talking about the automation that is tying this mill and sinker machine together in this full turnkey cell. So Dan, let's get into it. Why don't you tell us exactly what this robot is doing for the cell?
Sure. This is a Erowa ERC 80 robot. It's capable of handling 80 kilograms of weight. It is a linear moving robot instead of a 6-axis robot. It is a little bit more cost-effective style of movement for larger weight. It consists of a robot inside the that grabs our parts out of the magazine and puts them into automatic chucks on the table in the head of the sinker EDM and on the table of the mill.
You want to open it up?
Yes.
All right, let's do that.
Okay. So inside we have a modular rack system. Right now we're equipped for handling ITS 50 hanging electrodes and workpieces. It'll put the electrodes directly into the head of the sinker machine and workpieces into the table of the sinker machine, as well as electrodes for redressing into the chuck on our mill that has a 5-axis tilt turntable built into it.
Awesome, and I know one thing that bringing it back to the automation side that we talked about earlier with the importance of having a linear robot here instead of an 8-axis robot.
Yes.
Can you talk about the advantages with that?
It's a simpler design and it's more cost effective to have simple linear actuation to put them into the machine through an automatic door. It's capable of handling 80 kilograms in this size of a container. When you look at the differences between the two, this will do everything we need to do at a better price point. So,
sure. And with automation, I know efficiency is the thing, right? We want to be able to move parts and get as many things as we can done in a shift.
Yes.
How long can a cell like this run for reliably that customers can count on?
Days, weeks. It depends on the actual machining time, of course, and the size of the magazine. So this one is equipped with 160 tools to handle between the two machines. So comfortably, this type of work would run easily over the weekend. So you can set it up on a Friday, load up all your electrodes and work pieces, program your machines, hit the start button and walk away, come in on Monday and take out all your finished work.
And now how are we tying in the robot to these two machines? How is it communicating? Is it through the robot?
There's a standard communication system. It operates like a tool changer. Okay. The operators do not have to really do anything to here. As far as programming the robot, that's all just done on installation. All they have to do is tell it what tool number they want and what chuck number it's going to go into, and it simply takes it and puts it in there. So it's a simple one line, just like you would do on a standard tool changer for a mill or a sinker EDM, and it just puts it into that chuck for you.
Awesome. And then last question is, this is a system that you guys can implement onto a shop floor. Now, are you guys able to assist with the automation and the tying into the machines and everything?
Absolutely. We do. We're involved in every step of the process, from the sales, the engineering, the design of what tooling systems they need on here, to the installation itself and all the safety equipment setup. So it's more than just a tool changer. When you're putting it on multiple machines, you have to tie in all of your e-stops, your safety curtains, any other safety devices you may need for the machinery that you're going to put one of these robots onto.
Awesome. Well, Dan, thanks so much for being with us. And if somebody wants to learn more about this cell, where can they find it?
Our website, and call us direct. Just call direct right into our office, MC Machinery Systems.
Awesome. Dan, thank you so much. And be sure to stop by the MC Machinery booth here at IMTS. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.
That's really fun.